And hopefully we should be live again. Let me just refresh Twitch real quick. Sorry, folks. I think we're having a bit of a glitchy time with StreamYard. We are back live. We are live again. Hi, everybody. Folks, I'm very sorry. That was my mistake. I didn't realize that we had lost connection. I will be just be keeping an eye on Twitch from now on. Abdul Rahman, I'm sorry, I interrupted you. You were telling me about where were we? We were
Like what the project is about.
Yes, exactly. What Shopyo is.
Yes, so normally Shopyo started as a point of sales app. Okay, I was building with Flask, but at the end of the day, it became a web framework. So what's it about? So let's say you are using Flask. Flask is a micro framework. Like it's labeled as a micro framework in the sense that it's very lean. Like you don't have. It comes very bare bones. Okay, and then when you start coding in Flask, normally you just have everything in one file. You have your endpoints. You have your responses in one file, and you are good to go. But if you are coding in Flask for sometimes, maybe you will discover something called configuration profiles, which allow you to have different environments for different configurations for different environments, like a configuration for testing, another one for production, another one for development. So normally, okay, now you say, well, I'll be integrating configuration profiles. Okay, and then after sometimes you say, oh well, I need I need to add to manage secrets. Okay, so to manage secrets, and after sometimes you say, oh, I'm going to add migrations because I need migrations. So okay, and well. Shopyo is Shopyo lets you get started with a Flask app that is with a start with a good base, like you have migration setup, you have SQL Alchemy already set up. Like maybe it's not not every Flask user will like it, but if someone is going for maintenance, like is going for big code bases, so Shopyo will kind of be useful. And we also, it's not just a Flask base, it's not just like a boilerplate generator. Normally it provides Flask users with some kind of superpowers. Normally in Flask you have blueprints, which allows you to have a kind of namespace for your endpoints. But blueprints are not real, you don't, it's not plug and play. You have to write blueprint codes. And Shopyo, what it does is that it lets, first of all, it enables you to create modules in Flask. Normally, if you
Right.
go around and in the Flask world and see modules, projects using modules, yes, they are using modules, but Shopyo takes modules to a new, completely new level. You when a module that you copy from your project, you send it to another person using Shopyo. So the module will just work. You don't need to like configure blueprints. You don't need to write blueprint codes, etc. And we also implemented Django's collect static, like the collect static command for the Django users.
Mhm.
Normally, we implemented it in Shopyo. So every Shopyo module contains like static assets that you can switch. You can switch development to production. Like you have the a collect static command, and you also have like a way to see databases in module, you also have a way to declare global template modules. Like it's more for building Flask apps very quick. And the project that came close, the closest attempt to Shopyo was a project called Flask Diamond. Flask Diamond. Maybe you can Google it out somewhere. Flask
Flask
Diamond.
like
Diamond.
this?
No,
Oh,
no,
diamond.
Diamond. Yes.
Gotcha.
Sorry, my English is a bit French.
No, 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 no. It's me. I'm
Yes,
bad.
this
I'm bad
this
at
one.
understanding. This one here.
Yes. So this okay. So this also like enables Flask users to get Django features. Okay, but the difference between Shopyo and Flask Diamond is that normally Flask Diamond it has its own APIs, while Shopyo gives you those superpowers without having to learn another framework.
Right. Gotcha.
That's the and we also kind of push like the modules really far. And we also have a concept called boxes, which enables you to basically just group together modules. And we've integrated mails and also PyTest. We already have some PyTest fixtures. So someone who is starting a Shopio project already has some fixtures already written, already has some examples of fixtures, like he knows exactly how to write the tests, etc. And Sphinx is also comes included. So Shopio is for people who want to write really big projects in Flask. So
Yeah.
it's far more than just a boiler code uh, generator or something like that. It's
Gotcha.
yes, you get the idea of what Shopio is.
That's awesome. And before we got started, you also told me of an example. May I show it here?
Yes, yes,
The Flaskcon website.
yes.
Um, so this please correct me if I'm wrong. This here is the website for the Flaskcon, and it's built in Shopyo, if I'm not
Yes, that's
mistaken.
right.
That
This
is super cool.
yes, it's like a live demo of what you can do with Shopper. Yes, we also have maybe just open your screen like just maximize the
Oh yeah,
browser just for now, like as the
sure,
display appears kind of weird.
sure.
And yes, so in Shopio we also have a theming system that
Mm,
yes, that comes included. Like you can define your own themes. Like the idea is for 2021, have a theme. 2022, no need like to rewrite some logic around. Just
yeah,
like rewrite the theme, and you're good to go. Like yes,
brilliant. This looks
yes.
fantastic. Yeah.
Like the app that we got a new site under construction. Normally here is a
Oh,
like complete, yes, this one.
yeah.
So you can see like the maybe you can go to the Flask on code base
Oh, yeah.
to just show that Shopify is in the requirements, something like that.
Oh, yeah, totally, totally. This one here. So we go to code. So this is the oh, look, there's you. So
Yes,
you've been contributing here. And if we go to requirements, we will find Shopyo right there.
yes, so where is it?
Brilliant.
So yes, so they like it's an and it's the app is normally if we would have to like build this from straight from Flask bare bones. So
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
we would kind of take some time, but this made it have some head start and get things done kind of quick.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so much for that background. I think it's been really cool to discover all of these really amazing projects and the people behind them. It's been quite an honor for me um, to see these and to show that the open source world is so vast and so large. Um, so I'm gonna bring us back, if I may, to
Yes.
work on that issue. You said that we have change clone link to SSH.
Yes.
So we've got this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a little smaller. I hope the size is okay. I think it's okay, folks. Let me know if it's too
Yes.
small, too small. And I will very politely say I'll go ahead and work on this. And a little thumbs up. Add that as a comment. Can I assign myself to it? No, I think you have to do that if you
Okay.
want to.
Okay. Let me just assign you.
All good. All good. So
Okay.
I've been assigned to the issue now. So we're going to be working on this next. What I'll do here is just open. So that's the link in the docs.
Okay.
This one,
Yes.
the git clone one. We've got a couple of them we got to fix because we got to fix this one. We got to fix
Uh,
this one.
I think yes. 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 Okay. Yes. So go to docs.
Go to docs.
Okay. So normally it will be in contrib.rst.
What is RST, by the way?
Restructured text. Like
Ah,
Markdown came, if I am right, Markdown came to simplify like RST, like
interesting. I'm gonna
RST preceded Markdown, as far as I remember.
nice. Okay, I think I've got that installed now. It's activating the extension. In the meantime, we can go ahead and. Ooh, hello. I don't want to mess around with the Python development environment. I just want to open up this.
Yes.
Sorry about that. Give me 1 second to set up my extensions. So I hope that's good to go.
But by the way,
Yes, there we go.
the Python now has a steering council. Normally, Guido stepped down as the BDFL, as the person who takes decision in Python. So now you have a steering committee, okay? And the lead of that steering committee is called Brett Cannon.
Uh
And
huh.
Brett Cannon works at Microsoft, and he has been polishing the Python stuff on Code Studio. And by the way, Guido also works for Microsoft nowadays. Like,
Oh yeah, I do remember seeing that announcement.
oh, yeah. So you can be sure that VS Code support for Python is pretty great. So
That's awesome. Yeah,
yes, yes. So let us just find the link. Yes, here it
I
is.
found it here. So let's have a look. So the docs currently say I'm just gonna keep both here next to each other.
Mhm.
Fork Shopyo, clone the main repository locally. Git clone HTTPS. Yeah, so instead of HTTPS, we'll use the Git URL.
Yes.
Now to do that, let me just I can't I don't know what it looks like from heart, so I'm gonna have to look it up.
Yeah. No. No, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry, you're
No. No.
navigating. I'm
No.
going too fast.
You won't be putting like your fork, but you'd be putting
No,
the
yeah,
yes.
no, you're absolutely right. Thank you for catching me out on that. What I wanted
Uh,
was this here.
yes. Oh.
Is that
Oh.
right?
Okay. Yes.
So I'll
Uh,
just go.
uh,
Yep.
yes. Yes.
Sorry.
That's the hard part to remember.
Yeah, exactly. So, you know what? Hold on just a second. I'm gonna copy the whole URL and just make sure I change Ramon H to whatever it needs to be. accordingly. Does that sound good?
Yes.
So instead of having this URL here, I'm going to delete that and replace it with this here. And this will be replaced with Shopyo. Does that look good?
Yes.
Cool. Add your fork as a remote to push your work to. Replace username with the origin. This names the remote. Just gonna make that. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make this full screen for now. This names the remote fork to the default Shopyo. Or so git remote add fork, and instead here I'm gonna have the same URL again. How do you
Yes.
format it? Username. Okay. So
No. Yes.
that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay. And then okay. Just go to the docs. Just go to the the
The live
docs.
ones.
Yeah, the live one.
Hey, give me 1 sec to open up that window. I realize this isn't going to be the most
Yes.
efficient way to do this.
Okay. Okay. No. It's good, but just we need to. We kind of like the yes. Just hover over clone. Clone the. We see what it's pointing to. Uh,
Docs,
okay.
GitHub, getting started with GitHub, fork a repo, create a local clone of your
Okay.
fork.
That we won't need to touch. Okay. Okay. So that's great. I think those are the links that we need to change.
Brilliant. In your opinion,
And
yeah,
then okay, and then go to like menu in the live docs,
menu,
like,
yes.
and then click on scroll down. Scroll, yes, docs. Click on docs. So normally you have to make sure.
Ah,
Yes, you have to kind of make sure those are running.
yes,
Like the changes you made are compiling before
yes.
actually making a pull request.
Gotcha. Makes sense.
Okay.
So
And also from your browser, you can view if the docs have, you can view the docs locally.
brilliant. So I need to build these and then open them up to view the docs open in your browser. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know how to. Well, we'll figure this out. So I need to make this a little smaller. Sorry about the mess.
Y-
Uh,
Yes.
so I'll just shut down the Shopyo server.
Yes.
Come outside. Go into docs. I think we're up to date there.
Yes. I think no. You don't need to come into docs. You
Oh,
need
okay.
yes. Okay. So that's another contribution opportunity
Yes.
to specify like oh you don't need to be. Actually, I think if someone analyzed everything, he'll come to the conclusion like you don't need to cd into docs, but
Yeah.
he has to like read the whole thing. But okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Doing this on live stream and making sure it's entertaining for
No,
everyone is difficult.
it's like we need to have that pod at some point.
Yeah, totally. Makes sense. So I will. So Sphinx is included. Make sure to install it, which I think we did, right? Because
Yes.
as explained, to build the docs from source folder docs to destination folder docs build, run this command.
Hmm.
So I'll do that. Oh, that's fast.
Okay.
Awesome. To view the docs, open docs build HTML index in your browser. So I need to open that up in my file browser. Can I do that here? No. I need to do that in my file explorer. Give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
And I'll open that up. You know how I'm going to do this? I'm going to cheat. I'm going
No.
to.
You can. Okay. So you can just go to your browser and copy the path, and then open it in your browser by file colon forward
Oh,
slash slash.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Good call. Good call. So that's in build. and then I'll go to HTML index.html, index.html, so I can copy the file location you said.
Yes.
So I'll try that here.
Yes. Yes.
Index.
And then are you on Windows? No.
I'm on
No.
Windows. Yes.
No. Oh.
Is that going to be a
Okay.
problem?
No. 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 So good. Yes. No. Okay. So yes.
Sorry,
Great.
I don't want to
Great.
frustrate
Great.
you.
It's no. WSL is working great. Like.
It's a great tool. It's super
Yes,
great.
and it's the reason me why I switched to Linux because
Really?
while enabling WSL on Windows, I was getting some blue screen. I lost maybe 5 days with that,
Oh my
and
goodness.
after that I said, okay, I'm using the real stuff.
I totally hear you. I totally understand you. Like, fortunately, I've never done any. I've never had that problem so far. Like, I've always had a good experience with WSL.
Yes, so good to contributing to Shopyo.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so go. Okay, okay, so you can see all changes or look good.
Hmm. Yeah, that looks
Yes.
great. Um,
Okay.
so I'm not an expert on this. Do you think, in your opinion, because we're changing, for authentication purposes, because we're changing to from HTTPS to what I assume is SSH authentication, do you think we should add a link to the the GitHub docs for adding the public key?
Yes, that would be cool. Like, but I think everybody who kind of is using GitHub these days, GitHub made them. But yes, it would be good like to include some instructions of how
Maybe a link,
to
huh?
get this. Yes.
Maybe how about this? Clone the main repository locally, and then in brackets, make sure to have SSH authentication
Yes,
set up.
yes, yes, and then put the link
Perfect.
over
I've got
there.
the link here.
Yes, yes.
Brilliant. Okay, I'll do that right away. So let's come back to the docs.
And then Google, like, do you know RST, like, great?
I've never used
Oh,
it.
okay,
I
okay.
haven't.
Just Google link RST, like add link RST. Yes,
This one here?
yes, yes.
Thank you. I realized that we're not writing Markdown.
Like
um,
because it's I don't like it very much RST,
oh
but
yeah.
because it works great, but
Yeah.
it's a bit tedious to write. So
Mm,
go down,
yeah.
down,
Here
down
we go.
there.
This one, right?
Yes, yes.
That's an interesting syntax. I've never ever used this. So
And
can
it's kind of really annoying because
really?
if you don't compile it right, if it's compilation it doesn't get you don't get it right, so you even if in underlying a title you
Yeah.
don't add uh, you're underlying a text with stars to highlight the title, but if you don't make the number of stars like aligned to the text above, you are getting an error. So
Interesting.
okay, yes, okay, yes,
So make sure to have your SSH authentication set up. And I was thinking to make this part a link.
okay.
So I'm just gonna add this here. How does this work? So you have these backticks. The calm before the storm, right? Um, you have the backticks, but where do you define the URLs?
I think you have to see the docs again, like
Oh,
see
sorry.
see see. Yes, it's a bit weird. So yes, so You have to
But
put those. You have to put at the end those. Yes,
but
yes.
yeah, sounds good. But I'm curious, why don't you have it here?
No, 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 no. Because those are referencing the links down.
Oh,
Yes, RST is powerful. I agree,
yeah,
but because see why you see here. For example,
yeah,
when you are doing like that, it breaks what you are reading. It breaks,
yeah.
so that's why we reference it afterwards.
You mean at the bottom of the page? I'm just gonna take a look if I'm
Normally,
nope.
yes. Go above. I think you just pause it.
Oh, I did.
Uh, okay, okay. Here, yes, something like that.
Whoa. Okay. Okay. Well, I want
Yes,
to do this.
yes. I think it's better to use this one. Like it's kind
Yeah,
of me.
I agree. I'm all for consistency. So that would be SSH authentic with a lowercase a
Mhm.
and delete and copy and paste. So if that looks good, I'll need to go back up and fix here. There. That look good?
Yes. Sphinx build will tell you whether it's good or not. That is quite some annoying
No, I understand.
compiler, but yes. So just recompile it.
So I'm going to use Control R here to bring the command back up and do a compile. We'll see. So it looks good. And now I'm going to take a look
Now you
at
can, yes, you just refresh.
which one was it? Was it this one here? Ah, here we go. Ah, look, I noticed some. Well, that looks good. The link seems to work.
Okay,
I think I got my
okay,
punctuation wrong here, though, so I need to I need to fix that. Sorry about that. My punctuation is terrible. There.
okay. So okay, so like
Um,
every change, you need to
oh yeah, yeah.
rebuild.
That real quick. But what do you think? Does that look good to you?
Yeah, yes, yes. It's for me. It's great. Yes. So that's, and by the way, now yes, now you can uh, yes, create a new branch and things like that.
Let's do it. Let's do it. How do you like your Git history? So let's see. Git checkout, new
Wait, wait,
branch.
wait. Let's see if we did. If you have instructions for that
Oh,
on the
oh, I
Shopyo docs. Yes.
of course.
Go down, down, down.
Ah, nice. Mm-hmm. Make sure you have set up the repo as explained in the first time setup before making a pull request or PR. Create a branch for the issue you would like to work on. We'll git fetch origin and then git check out your branch name origin/dev. As a sanity check, you can run git branch to see the current branch you are on in case your terminal is not set up to show the current branch. Is mine? Yes. Nice.
Yes.
Make sure to write tests for any new features you add. I'm afraid I didn't write any new ones. To
No,
run the
so
whole
it's
test suite,
fine.
this may take a while. Ooh, nice. See testing for useful commands so as to only run the test that you wrote, for example. Using your favorite editor, make your changes committing as you go. I like this. I like it. Committing trials would run the pre-commit hook. Do some style checks in case checks fails. It will not allow you to commit. I like that. And mention the errors and their line numbers. Most of the time, the pre-commit hook will automatically fix the style errors, so you will need to run the git commit command again in the example below. Oh, I love that you show examples.
It's actually, this is the mastermind behind these dogs is the guy called Shams.
Yeah,
He's actually on the Discord. Shamsuddin, his name is, but
yeah.
he went over the moon, including this. So
Yeah.
we had a nice onboarding culture. The culture was always here, but this dog particularly is like he added them.
Yeah, no, this is
I think, and this is an example, like when you have a good culture in a project, like everything like turns out somewhat good. You understand?
mhm,
Like I did not
yeah.
tell him like ride these dogs or anything. So he kind of by himself did it.
Yeah. And I can tell you from my experience, you know, I'm not very involved in the Python world, but I'm always told you always hear about how people who write Python are very take documentation very, very seriously. And this being my experience with it, this is very apparent and very much appreciated. No, that's super cool.
Like see, we have a typo here. Remove the unused import in
Oh,
Shopyo slash app.y.
that should be app.py, right?
Yes.
Let's do that right away. App. Whoops, 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 whoops. Let's do a control F. I'm sorry, I don't know why my stuff is failing all over the place. File. How do you find stuff? I don't use VS Code a lot. I'm sorry. Edit find. There we go. App.y. There it is. So I'm just going to change that to app.py. That look good?
Yes.
So before I do any checking out, I'm just going to rerun the docs.
Normally you can just run make and it will run it for you. But anyways,
Oh, good to know. Good to know.
yes,
I think I saw some instructions about that at the top about like running
yes,
make
yes, yes,
HTML.
yes.
Um, cool. There it is fixed. Nice.
Okay.
So push your commits and to your fork on GitHub. Create a pull request. I love this. This is so detailed. You should see the PR link in the terminal after you successfully push your commits. Link to the issue being addressed and fixes in the pull request. Nice. See example PR. That is so thoughtful. I'm just going to take a look at this. That's wonderful. Oh, you have a code coverage.
Yes, that's a little surprise for when you actually PR.
Aha. So I spoiled the surprise.
That's half the surprise. So you have another surprise.
Perfect. Yeah, let's do it. So I will, let's see, git fetch origin,
Mhm.
and I'll run git checkout b your branch name origin slash dev. So git checkout b. Do you have a naming convention for branches?
No, but one thing I recently found to be interesting, I put the
Yeah.
issue number first,
Mm-hmm.
then I
Mm-hmm.
put whatever name I want. But we don't really have a naming convention. That's just my personal taste.
Nice. No, I love learning about these.
Because you know why I always wonder like what issue this closes. So now I immediately know what issue to close when writing the commit
Yeah.
message.
No, that's super handy. That's good to know. And I'm starting to see these more often too, like this preference for having the issue number there. So a short text. Docs updates, docs improvements. Let's go with docs updates. What do you think?
Yes, docs updates. It's fine.
Cool.
Yes.
Next, we'll add and commit. Da, 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 da. Dev
uh,
add file.
yes. Did you add the origin Dave something?
Oops. Uh,
No. That's fine. Just I wanted like someone to test the exact instructions to see like where they land. But
no,
that's fine.
no. I'll tell you what. Let's do this right. I'm going to switch back to dev. I'm going to
Okay.
delete my branch. And we'll start over. So that's where were we?
Up.
Further up.
Scroll up. Yes.
Origin slash dev. Thank you, dev.
Okay.
Dev from origin. Switch a new branch. Okay. Phew. Thank you. We'll run the.
No,
Let's
no,
run
no.
the test. No,
Okay, okay. You can run if you want.
why not? Since we're here, I'm also keen to see how this works.
Tux normally lets you, like, for example, if you had Python 3.9 also, you'd
Yeah.
have run your project on Python 3.9 as well as Python 3.8.
Hmm. Right, but since I only have 3.8, it's gonna. Ooh, what are those
This is
percent?
this is using PyTest. PyTest it shows like how much of the test we have finished. We run and things. Okay.
Brilliant. And now it's. Ooh. So everything worked. The reason.
On 3.8.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but we don't have. I don't have 3.9, 3.7, nor 3.6, but I guess that's okay.
Okay, so the PyTest developers, they are really congratulations and a smiley at the end. So
It's very friendly. I love it. It makes it like it's got that happy success green.
yes,
Um. So what's up? What's next?
yes.
Git add.
Now
Yes.
you can git add docs, the docs folder. Yes.
Git commit m put commit message here.
So this one you follow the convention like docs colon and then yes,
Let's see. Switch to SSH cloning URL, comma,
fix
fix
typos.
typos. Yes. Good.
Yes.
Perfect. Ah, it's doing the thing, the pre-commit hooks.
Uh, normally nothing will happen because you didn't touch any code. So
I'm a bit nervous that it says this may take a few minutes.
uh,
For I tend to commit a lot and very small commits. So I can see why you would think these would be annoying. But that looks good.
okay, that's good. Now we continue the instructions.
Yes. Committing files will run the pre. Yes, we saw this. AppPy. Committing
Okay,
cancel
okay,
that.
okay, okay, okay.
Git push
Okay.
set upstream fork. Ah, I didn't set my. I think I cloned my fork. So instead of
Yes, it's no, it's good. It's good that you clone your fork.
yeah, but I think the instructions are gonna fail because I called my origin, not fork. You know what I mean?
Okay, let's go up in the instructions. Maybe let's see. No, mm, okay, 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 okay. So, oh, git remote at fork. Do you say
Yes.
git remote at fork? So just add it.
Yeah. So git remote add fork. I'm just gonna copy up until here and put Ramon H shopyo.git. Is that correct? That's correct.
Yes. Okay, I
Now
don't
we're
know
good.
how I missed that step.
That was my bad. That was my bad. Okay. So we were here. Git.
Yes.
I'm just gonna make this window a little bit smaller so I can see as I type. Git push set upstream fork and then the branch name, which is
74.
docs updates.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. It's good. Okay.
Cool. So we have pushed a new branch at my fork.
Okay. Yes. So click on the link that's provided in the terminal. Like, oh, copy the link. Copy the link.
This one here.
Yes. Follow link or some. Oh, copy some, and then go to the browser,
Mhm. Open up a new.
and then put
Oh wow.
fixers. Yes. And then in the body, I think you should put fixers.
74,
Yes.
as well as some typos.
Or just put fixer 74 because I'm
Okay.
quite suspicious of GitHub. I don't know if it will like. Yeah. Try writing it down like yes, as well as some typos.
Yeah.
Yes, because I don't trust GitHub to be too intelligent.
Oh, actually, we can test it. Please indulge me if you don't
Okay, okay,
mind.
okay. That's great.
We've got the preview, right? I think that looks pretty
Yes,
good.
yes. But yes. Okay. Let's create the pull request.
So create pull request.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Like yes. So now, just to wait a bit. Just wait a bit.
Let's let the
Just
read the
just
doc stuff
uh,
happen.
just wait a bit. I have to approve the tests for you.
Oh, I see.
Mm, okay. Now you can see.
Oh, I don't. When's the last time you did one of these, by the way?
Uh, one of these what?
Sorry, pull request. When's the last time you opened a pull request on this repo?
You can see it on the closed pull requests.
I'm
So,
gonna take a look if I may while these run
yes, yes,
because I want to know if you've
closed,
done.
closed,
Oh,
closed ones. Yes.
oh
Uh,
wow, 2 hours ago. Nice. I was wondering because I was wondering if you've already seen what CodeC does with pull requests as well.
yes, feel free to like go over it. But like I don't think I saw anything special or something like that.
Oh, really? Let's have a look.
Because I think I saw, but could see is a new addition.
Yeah,
Like I haven't yet explored it. Like
all good. All good. We're learning together here.
yes, so the tests on Windows, on Mac, on Linux.
Wow. And I don't know if you know this, folks, but you can open up one of these while they're running
Yes.
and just see them in action. I love doing this. And there it's running talks.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. And there's the Windows one also running talks. That's very cool.
So I think in terms of project standards, so it's kind of has a nice level, like the project in terms of good practices and so on.
Yeah,
Like you normally we have a policy that we don't merge until tests pass.
makes sense.
Normally,
Do you also block the branch from merging?
no,
No.
because we don't really focus on dev and normally
Yeah.
on we don't focus that much on main and dev, but
Yeah.
it's like we don't have yet a procedure for when merging dev to main and things like that.
I understand. I understand. Still, that's very cool. And I did not know that you could run like I didn't know you could also run stuff on Windows. I got to take a look. I got to do these for my other projects cuz I got one for Linux, but this is for a Ruby on Rails project. So it's
Mhm.
completely unrelated. um that I do it on Linux, but I didn't know you could do it on Windows as well. Good to know. That's very cool. How are we doing
This
on Yeah.
yes, like and of course these were added by contributors, and if it was me, like I would have maybe preferred not to have like everything, but
Yeah.
because I actually learned pre-commit and everything like through this project of mine. Like
Yeah.
though I'm the original author, but I also learned from my own project, you can say.
Yeah. Oh, and I just got a comment about code coverage. Let's have a look. Almost there. I love watching these. Cleaning up orphan processes. Okay, so that's done. Does that mean I
Okay,
can come back? Yeah,
yes.
sorry. This is cool.
Okay, yes. So let me just merge it. Yes,
Awesome.
we also have the like read the docs. Normally it's automatically updated on read the docs, the PR that
Mm.
you will be making.
Oh, nice.
Like
Oh,
as soon as I merge, your
yeah.
changes will be live.
That's awesome. We have something similar for our docs.
So let me just merge it. Okay. Okay, I merge it and then let's see if 74 is closed. It seems that it's closed. I cannot see it.
Oh,
Yes, issue 74. Yes, it's good. It's
oh, it got closed
it
automatically.
yes. That was in the docs. The docs mention an example PR, and if you look closely at the example PR mentioned, so you will see that it
Oh,
go to the docs, the Shopyo docs,
oh yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to. Here.
the Shopyo yes example PR. I think this. Do you see fixers 51?
Yes.
So that was an example PR, and if someone does it exactly like that, so it can't it closes the issue. But that's why I think it's an example PR.
I see. But so it worked for us as well, right? It closed
Yes,
the
yes,
issue
yes.
for
No,
us.
normally it's a GitHub feature.
That's cool. That's awesome. Nice. Well, thank you. That was super fun. How are you doing time wise? By the way, do you have time to do another one?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Let's keep going then.
We had another issue, if I'm not mistaken.
Hmm.
We yes, that was. Do you want some code or some docs?
I'm happy to do code. I think we just
Okay.
did some docs. Let's do some code now.
Okay. So let's go to the rerun the server.
Right. So first off, I'm gonna go back to dev.
Yes.
Dev. Then I need to get my branch up to date. Uh,
Yes.
I don't know if you know about this. I learned this recently. GitHub added a thing where they can. I'm just gonna go back to my fork. Do you know about this? Fetch upstream.
I think I saw it, but it was definitely it was very much needed because every time I had to do it command line and I don't
Yeah.
know running some weird commands that you don't have in mind each time
Yeah.
you have to go and copy paste. I'm just glad that it's there.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm just gonna fetch and merge. So the branch is now
Cool.
even. So if I go back here and I do a git pull origin dev, that'll bring me up to date once again. If
No,
I go
no,
to get
no, 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 no. Go to GitHub. Go to GitHub. You have to change your branch. Change
whoops.
change to
Yes.
dev,
Whoopsie daisy.
and
You are
then fetch
absolutely right.
upstream.
Thank you. good, good catch.
Yes,
Let's do that again. There we go. Now we're up
yes.
to date. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm happy to do some code. Oh yeah, run the server, which is done with. Let me just open up the docs again. That's documentation. I want to go back to contrib. Shopyo run debug.
Yes.
So on that, and what I'm going to do here is run a
Oh,
separate.
you have to sit into Shopyo.
Thank you. That happens when I'm in a hurry. There we go. And I'm going to
Okay.
open up a separate terminal here so we can have two of them.
Okay. Yes. Now go to the URL.
So that's this one here. It's now
Yes.
refreshed.
So let's one thing is let me open another issue, which is changing site under construction to something meaningful.
Cool. Sounds good.
Mm, let me just add it.
Take your time. I'm just gonna stretch a little.
And change site under construction to something nice.
Awesome.
Okay. So okay, the issue is up.
Cool. Change site under construction to something nice. Looks good.
Now you can claim it.
There we go. Nice. So that'll be our branch 76. I'm going to go ahead and make a branch right away.
Okay.
So git checkout branch, call it 76. Fix default site origin / dev.
Okay. Yes. So now one thing you can do
Mhm.
is to search everywhere in the folder for the exact word.
And
Like yes, go to like the real page, like
oh,
in the URL. Yes, just copy.
like this.
Yes.
I'm going to look it up in the code base, you said?
Yeah, yeah, yes, in this like whole folder.
Cool. Let's do it.
Okay,
We'll have to
so
update the docs as well, of course.
yes, so but mainly the index.html. So
Yes.
it's static themes front. It's in a theme which is useful. Now you have the back office, which is the dashboard, and you
Mm,
have the front, not front office, but the website. And
yes.
then we are using the theme called Bluegrass, okay, and which has an index.html. Okay, so here you change it.
I see. Cool. So I'll change this to say something nice. Um,
The site Shopyo is now running. Maybe
yeah.
you can read more on the docs and link to the docs.
Do you want it all caps, or do you think?
No, normal.
Yeah, I think so too. Site is now running. Let's make this a paragraph for because we're gonna want to have multiple lines, right? No, probably not.
No, please consult the docs. Yeah, or maybe you can say please consult the docs or join the Discord.
Yeah, gotcha. Do you want to link to the dashboard here as well?
Yes, yes, that would be nice.
Cool.
Uh,
So we're gonna put a couple links here. First is the docs.
yes.
Let me get that URL here. The docs, comma, join
Oh,
the Discord community. A href. Do please stop me if I'm going off in the wrong direction.
no, it's great.
And for the URL, I'll just grab that from from here.
Yes.
Scroll down to
No.
Discord.
It's up. Important links normally.
Ah, thank you. My mistake. Cool. So there's that. Yes, excellent. Mhm.
Okay.
Or go right ahead to the
Dashboard.
yes, exactly dashboard to get started.
Yes.
So the question is,
And
how do I link to the dashboard? Would that be
you can just slash dashboard.
like that?
Yes. See if
Perfect.
it works. Just save and then refresh the page.
It looks really big, by the way, because I zoomed in.
Yes. Instead of Shopyo site, you can just put Shopyo.
Ah, gotcha. Like that.
Yes. Great. Okay.
Refresh again.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes. So just check if dashboard
yeah.
is running with credentials. You can add the credential like uh,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. To get started. I wonder if we'll need to restructure that English phrasing. I'm, I'm a bit concerned because
yes.
it's turning into a long sentence, you know? How about
It's
this?
turning into a paragraph.
Yeah. Or join the Discord community full stop. Uh
You can also check out the dashboard or something like that.
exactly. And
You
I'll
can
just write
or
these
you can
two
head to the
paragraphs.
dashboard.
Yes.
You are from Spain? No.
I'm from Chile originally. Are you familiar
From
with
where?
Chile? From Chile in South America. It's
For,
I'll show you a country. Right here.
okay.
Here, I'll show you where it is.
Oh yes.
That long
Yes.
country that's Argentina's slightly less exciting sibling.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah, now I get it.
So let's see. Please. Sorry, I get easily distracted. Yes. We'll close that tag here. And then I'll put a new line here. Otherwise, go right ahead to the dashboard to get started. Let me just close that with the credentials. And we need those credentials from the docs. admin@domain.com and password
Oh
pass. We'll need to update
yes,
this as
yes,
well.
yes.
So by logging in with the email, you know what? I'm just going to copy this. Get started. I believe the tag here is code, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Been a while since I've written pure HTML. So that should be, I go back out over here. I like it.
Okay. So okay, that's great. Now on the docs, you can just copy Shopyo is now running. You should see Shopyo is now running.
Just going to copy that right there.
Install the linter OST check. Yes, it might turn out to be useful.
Yeah,
Great.
perfect. And here there's another one. This is
Yes.
a blog, initialize it and run it. For the blog post, it will say site under construction. Instead of site under construction, going to replace this with Shopyo is now running, which will be the
Yes.
homepage of your app.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's I think we'll need to do a few things. Do we want to what was the order again? Let me just go down here real quick. For doing the commits, right? So I think I
Okay.
need
Okay.
to
It's back. It's pull request. Yes. Fetch origin. I think it's good. Okay. Docs. Maybe try docs.
Oh yeah.
Because the
Perfect.
same thing would be run when you PO.
Yeah. Brilliant. This is running on Ubuntu, so we should be good to go. We'll add. Well, I think we'll need to have 2 commits here, if I'm not mistaken. What's your opinion?
No, one is fine.
That's fair. Of course, pre-commit
We,
hooks.
with precon exactly.
That's totally fair. Cool. That's good.
Oh
So
yes, you need to recompile the docs to just to make sure.
yes, of course. And that was make HTML.
You have to cd into docs.
HTML. Let me just verify that that's what it says here too, just in case. Yeah, that's what you said.
Yes.
Brilliant. That's done.
So
So I can.
you yes.
I've got it here already.
Uh,
So
uh, is it where was it? Was it on that page or?
yes, there's one here.
Okay, refresh. You need to refresh it.
I did.
Mm,
Huh?
mm, mm, mm.
Why did it not? Where did it build to? Build slash. Oh, hold on. This is different. Build. Uh-huh. I need to put HTML.
Oh, yes. So, okay. So, okay.
Right, because I think the docs HTML sorry, the
Not,
makefile method compiles them in a different location.
yes, that's not great.
Oh, but it still says site under construction. Did I miss it somewhere?
Try the other way.
Yeah, let's go back. No, it's Finks. Mhm.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna go back here.
Okay. Just search it once again, like contrib.rst. Go to contrib.rst.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Look at that.
You
Look at
forgot
that
to
circle.
save.
I forgot to save the circle of shame. Oh, this happens to me so much. You can tell I use Vim because I never because it just I never forget. There it is.
Yes.
My mistake. There we go. Shopyo is now running, and the other there was another one, wasn't there? Usage. So if I go to usage, is it basic usage? Yeah.
No. Like usage. Yes. Like it's good. You just have to see the .html, the
Yeah.
file name.
There.
Yes.
So I think we're in the right one.
Mm-hmm.
Shopyo is now running. I
Mm-hmm.
like that. I think that's much better than site under construction. I think it gives a,
Yes.
a very clear idea of what's going on. So
Yes.
that's great. I think. Let me go back to the
Git,
docs.
git, git status.
Mm-hmm. We've got those
Okay.
3 changes. I'm gonna git add docs and Shopyo. Another git status.
Okay.
So this will be a. Ooh.
It's I think it's it's a is it a refactoring?
Hmm.
Is it is it's not adding a new feature for sure?
Nope.
Let me
What is it? Clean bench.
just I think co is a nice is a very tempting
Which
is
one?
a
Sorry.
very Chore.
Yes. Let's do that.
Let me just let me just like dogs, pair, refactor, slide, test, revert. I think Go is a it's actually a fix. It's actually a
Yeah.
fix, but whatever. Like try.
Shall I
Yeah,
go with
yes,
fix then?
yes, I think fix homepage message. I think something like that or
Yeah.
landing page.
Homepage message. How about improve homepage wording?
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely need a.
perfect. Okay, I'll go with that. Hit enter. Oh, that was much faster. And look, something failed.
Yes, yes, you have to recommit.
I have to
Trailing
commit
white
again.
space. Yes.
So it's okay. Oh no, trailing white space.
Re-add all and then
Ah, of
recommit.
course, of course, of course.
Yes.
Actually, I'm curious what the diff is. Where's my? I left a space in here somewhere.
Yes, must be a space somewhere.
Huh. Cool. Git add Shopyo. That's
Okay.
handy. That's handy.
Yes.
So now we'll do a git push origin 76. Oh wait.
Wait. Yes, see that the instructions.
I forgot set upstream fork. Let me just start over. This is what
No,
I
no,
get
no,
for
no. It's good. It's good because you haven't pushed yet.
yeah. Set upstream fork. I'm just gonna copy this. Move over to the left. Forget origin. Git push set upstream fork. 76 fixed default site. Upstream forks. And then the branch name. Cool. I'm
It's
gonna go ahead.
pushed. Okay.
Let's do
Yes.
it now.
Yes. Okay.
Now I'll
So
open this URL.
yes.
The tabs are piling up. That's very normal for me. So fix, improve.
Yes. So 76
Fixes
fixes 76.
76.
Okay.
Brilliant. I'm just going to
Great.
create that pull request. Awesome. I'm really glad that I can contribute also to the onboarding process as well. Like this is really nice to be able to do. And not too shabby. Two pull requests in one day. And I think what's your main branch out of curiosity? Just to make sure just out of curiosity for the maps to work.
Not only our default branch is
Is
the
dev.
dev branch.
Yeah, gotcha.
We have the main master branch, but we haven't yet got to the point where we it's really useful to us. Like I know it's
Mm,
useful, but in practice it's useful. I don't say because we've why we had a dev and a master because sometimes when the dev break, so
yeah.
you're left with a broken project. So it's important, but mm, I don't know, kind of. We don't have yet a process to standardize like when to merge and things like that.
No, I feel you. No, and I think the reason we're not seeing the code C map show up on my pull request is because it only happens, I could be wrong, for when folks from your organization are creating pull requests. But I could be wrong. Disregard me. um,
Let me like
actually, what I can see here, check this out. I'm gonna refresh the map for Shopyo, and if I'm not mistaken, we should see. Let's see, latest activity. Check it out.
yes,
Now we've got activity here.
yes.
So that's really nice. We can also see lines of code. This is something we created today as well that we're working on.
Mm.
Doesn't seem to be working just yet here. I need to find out from an engineering team why that's happening. But yeah, we're trying to find ways to be able to make that a good onboarding experience for everybody. Cool. Sorry, I got distracted.
And then I think I saw the good map, but I don't remember. I think I saw the good map, but like let me just see.
Oh, good.
Um, let me just Yes, yes, it's for example, if you in the chat, I'm just putting in see this pull request in
Oh
the
yeah,
chat
yeah.
in the StreamYard chat. If you go to this pull request, you will see the code CMAP.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, we've actually been improving these super greatly. Can I show you a new version of this?
Okay.
Just in case you're curious, because I just discovered these today and I'm really excited about them. Um, I was working on another. I was having another one of these streams actually earlier today,
Mm-hmm.
and I was check it out. I opened this pull request 5 hours ago, and not only did the PR map, sorry, the review map show like what the new connections are, but you can also view it as an interactive map now.
Mm-hmm.
And what's really cool about it, I just learned this. Like you've got the map and you can sort of isolate these to see like what's changed for each of these nodes. But if you double click on one, you can also see a diff for that specific file,
Mm-hmm.
which I'm really excited about.
But by the way, what are these lines for?
Oh, that's a great question. What the lines mean is that this file, for example, a request token, imports this file.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like a dependence. It's a dependency line.
Okay, it's a dependency graph visualization sometimes.
Exactly, exactly. So you can see, like, for example, this new file, it's dependent on by these ones here. But that's enough about us. Let's get back to you. um,
Okay,
yeah,
so
we've got this working here, which looks great. And if you're
okay,
satisfied with this, we can go ahead and merge it.
okay. Let me just
Hopefully it looks good.
yes. By the way, you can also see the docs, like the live docs.
Oh, yeah. So let me see. This is the live ones. So if I go ahead and refresh this and go to here, for example. Oh, look, they're already live.
Yes, yes, and the site under construction also should be gone by now.
Let's give it a refresh and see. So
Maybe
not
it's
hard refreshing.
building.
Yeah, it could be. I
But
also thought it might be cached.
anyways, uh, like normally it will go away.
Yeah.
But yes, that's why read the docs is great. Normally we used to use GitHub pages, but we didn't have this live update.
Yeah.
Like we had to build it before deploying, so now we no longer have to build
Oh, yes, of course. I
the
know what you
docs.
mean. Yeah. So if I were to refresh it now, there we go.
Yes,
Awesome. So that means that if someone was to clone Shopyo now, they would be shown this experience. Is that right?
yes, yes, yes.
That's really exciting. That's really exciting. Thank you for letting me do this. This has been really fun.
Yes.
Um, okay. So I
Oh,
think we've got, yeah.
yes. By the way, if you yes, go to dashboard.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? I can click here.
Mhm.
So admin at domain.com with the password pass. This is running locally on my machine, so not live.
Yes, so go to like theme.
Theme.
Yeah, so for back, choose miss the other one.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
So yes, go to dashboard again. Like no, click home button. Yes. So
Nice.
yeah, so like there are many like front end contribution opportunities also. Like
Wonderful.
yes, so
If you
yes.
have one, like we've got about 27 minutes left. I think we can squeeze one more in. What do you think?
Okay, and let uh, let me for example this. Okay, what you see here
Yeah,
is actually if you go to the Shopyo code base.
right. Here. Or do you mean on
Yes,
GitHub?
yes, on GitHub.
Ah, my bad.
It's kind of tidy over there. Yes. Okay. Yes. So go to Shopyo,
Yes.
Shopyo modules.
Modules.
Okay. Yeah, and then yes. So those modules are displayed over there. For example, appointment is in Biz Help. Go to Biz Help. Like go to appointment. Yes. So info.json.
Info.json.
So so you have the font awesome icon. So
Oh, I see.
yes, so that's like normally you can hide also type show. If you put type hide, normally it will hide them. Like
Hmm.
yes, so it's just about the dashboard. It's just about the dashboard. And then like now how like try mm, normally normally now you are using Shopio from the package side. Now like try using Shopio from like from the user side.
Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah.
okay, make a new virtual environment somewhere like on your machine.
So let's see. Would I need to open up a new terminal? Can I do that?
Yes.
But it shows the same environment, so it's
De-
probably
deactivate it.
do you know
Just type deactivate.
like that?
Deactivate like yes, yes. So cd somewhere where you can create a new yes. So mkd maybe shop your test something like that.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shopyo
Mkd no,
test.
no, mkd shop your test.
Gotcha. Like that.
Yes. So cd shop your test.
Hmm.
Okay, so like now, like you are using it as a normal like Python user
Yes.
who didn't clone the project from GitHub. So
Hmm.
Python 3.8 minus m venv and env.
Like that.
Yes, yes. Minus m mean module. Okay,
Ah.
and then dot space env slash bin slash activate. Okay,
Wow.
and then pip. Normally in Python, when you use pip like that, it's a very bad idea
Yeah.
because you don't know which version of pip you are referring to. Or
Mm.
if you just type Python on the terminal, it's a very bad idea. But when you are in a virtual environment, try typing just Python.
It's like that.
Yes,
So that
you
shows
can
me.
see it's referring to the Python with which you created your virtual environment with. So just type exit. Exit.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. It's great. It's great. It's great.
Just making sure. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So pip install Shopyo.
Like that.
Yes.
So now it's doing the thing.
Okay.
Oh, that's bad, right?
That's that's a Linux thing. Like you have to install wheel or something like that. So or BD's wheel, but anyways, it will work even without that.
Okay.
But
Whew.
it's okay. Say like ls. Okay, so Shopyo new,
Just
enter ls.
oh wow, it does it in the same folder. Ah, cool, 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 cool.
So now you have now you are using Shopyo from a user from the user side. From the user side, like Shopyo gives you like these to get started with your projects. Like, and then
Gotcha.
of course, if you go to cd Shopyo minus test, you initialize and you run debug, so you will get your project running. Yes. Okay, and just Shopyo.
Like that?
Yes. So you will have some commands.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
CLI.
Yes, Shopyo, and then run Shopyo run minus minus help.
Help. Like that?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
and
Gonna hit it.
yes. So yes, so you can specify on the port, etc. So it's the same thing as it's the same thing as what we have, but
Yeah.
the other is the package, and this one is like a project for you. I don't know, you're creating something, and then if you go to back to our package, like you can test the new command and things like that.
Oh,
Uh,
I see. I see. Yeah.
so in the package also, since we pip install like in the editable mode, so even if we install without the editable mode, we'd be having the Shopyo command available, like if you wanted to create a new project using the new command. But that I just wanted to show you, like
Thank you.
from the package side, and then using it as a on the user side. So
Gotcha.
okay, and then maybe we can finish by having a look at how Shopio modules work.
Yeah,
uh,
totally.
j- just go to GitHub.
Yes. GitHub. Here we
Oh,
are.
oh, 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 in yes, Mm, yes. Let's in the package. Okay, in the package. Go to command line. Go to the command line.
Yep.
Okay, so the command line. Okay, and the server we are running for the package. Yes,
Okay, I'll kill it.
yes. Go to the project that we created.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes, so okay, and then initialize Shopyo, initialize and Shopyo run Shopyo initialize Shopyo initialize.
Initialize. Yes.
Yes, okay,
Enter.
yes,
Ah, it's doing the database, of course.
and Shopyo run.
Like that.
Yes, okay. So
Load it.
yes, go to okay. So we are using the like the uh, okay this okay, now try creating a module, like go to the documentation,
Oh, yeah.
on the documentation command line.
Oh, whoops. Sorry, I got impatient. Command line, yes.
and then like create module. Create yes. Create module. So no, one word.
Ah, gotcha.
Yes. So try that. Shopyo create module Apple.
Cool. I should do that while this is running, or shall I shut this down?
You can shut it down.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. Okay. Now run it again. Now go to /Apple
No worries.
on your local host.
Nice.
So you have a new module that's been created, and by default it shows this string. Now go to like this. Go to your command line.
Yes.
Can you open this project also in I don't in no not in a new tab but in a new folder, like open the
Like,
folder in Code Explorer.
gotcha. Yeah. I gotcha. Oh, here. Yes, of course. Oh my goodness, of course. Give me one sec. Let me see if this works. Nope, I'm in the wrong place. CD Shopyo test code dot. That's what you meant. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, we are here now.
Okay. So okay. So now go to Shopyo test. Go to modules. Go to
Use app.
Apple. Okay.
Oh,
That's
wow.
what you just created. So you have the URL prefix. Maybe you can change it to Ramón or Yemen. Okay, okay. So okay, and then wait. Go
Yes.
to view.py. Yes, return Ramón.
Ah,
Yes,
as a
remove all
string.
that. Yes, Ramón. Okay, okay,
Perfect.
okay. Now /Ramón.
Now,
Mm-mm.
could it be that I need to refresh the server?
No. Rename Apple to Ramón. Okay. Like the
The folder?
yes,
This one.
yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then try it. Try again. Mm-mm.
Hmm. Could it
Okay, and
could it be the module name should be called Ramon as well?
yes. I think it will be okay. Okay. Go to run. Try rerunning the app.
Yeah, gotcha. Let's do that.
Maybe it's not reloading.
Yeah, maybe in the
Yes, debug mode is off. So
yeah.
that's why.
There it
So
is.
yes, so that's like creating a module is simple in Shopyo. But for example, in Flask, if you would have created a module,
Yeah.
then it wouldn't be as straightforward as that, having an import, having all those things, and having all those. And for example, go to Flaskon repo.
So I think the easiest way to do that is going to be for me to go to flaskcon.com and go straight down to report bugs. And here we are. Yes.
Yes, and then go to Traveler
Mm-hmm.
modules.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then
There we
for
go.
example, if you go to the y module, y, and then view.py. Okay, so here you can see, for example, pretty much a bit how things kind of kind of work and stuff. But the most important, interesting thing is the module layout, like things like
Yeah.
that. Yes, and for example, everywhere in Shopyo, use at the module blueprint. You can use the module name also, but
Yeah.
module blueprint, for example, you want to just copy paste some codes in here to another view.py, so you don't have to rename the blueprint. So those are some kind of shortcut that Shopyo uses, and yes, I think that's pretty much like it. You can also yes, if you want to go to the Shopyo to the Flosscon repo back and then go to go to code,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
and yes, go to staging. Go to
Uh,
see
about
about
down here,
no
you
no,
mean? Oh my
no,
gosh.
yes,
Sorry.
go to staging.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So let me. How much minutes do we have left?
We've got about a couple minutes. Like we can go a little bit over. I will admit. I don't know what if you don't mind my asking. What time it is
Uh,
over there? Here it's 11 p.m.
so here it's 1 p.m.
Wow. Okay, I can't
So
complain.
like I think we are nearly
Yeah,
ending. So
sounds
I
good.
just wanted to give you an account so that you could
Oh, cool.
just um, go over like how it is. So just give me 1 minute.
Take your time.
Just
You're doing
give
this in
me
the
one.
dashboard, I imagine?
Yes, I just log in. I just
Interesting.
log in. Uh,
Oh my goodness,
so
1 p.m. I'm so sorry to be keeping you so late.
no, I actually requested because I'm sure I won't have anything
Yeah.
ongoing.
No, very kind of you to take the time to do this with me. It's been super fun.
Okay, so okay, the normal password works on the staging, so you can go ahead.
So if we
Admin
log
at
in,
yeah. That's the normal Shopyo login. So now
yeah,
you can go to the dashboard. This is an admin view.
gotcha. Gotcha. So now, but this is, of course, a staging app. So it's live, but it doesn't have any sensitive data. So it's okay to sort of
Yes.
take a look around. Very cool.
So you can go to, for example, admin.
Yeah. We can see the passwords.
Yes, so you can have things like that,
But
and
again, of course, folks, if you're watching, this isn't real data. It's staging data, which means it's not real.
yes, so and you can also kind of like view the go to the dashboard once again.
Yep.
Yes, I'd say like yes, go to conf like is a module that we created.
Ah.
Go to reviewers. Click on reviewers.
Oh.
No, conf
Oh, reviewers.
review.
I'm sorry, I couldn't see the button.
Yes, so
Oh,
you
I
can
see.
add
And
more reviewers for 2021, things like that,
very cool.
and you can close it,
Yeah.
and go to the dashboard, like
Mm-hmm.
the dashboard, and then www. Yes, so
Oh yeah.
go to menu. You see, even the www button is implemented as a module.
Yeah.
So you
Interesting.
go to review. Because you're an admin, you can. Okay, so admins can, reviewers normally because you're an admin, you have access everywhere. But
Gotcha.
normally, some reviewers, the reviewers, they have access. Normally, this is blind reviews.
Mm-hmm. Very
Like
cool.
give it a rating of 2, for example.
This reminds me
Okay.
of what's that other Python tool for reviewing talks? Uh, doesn't matter. Sorry. Oh, give it a.
You can, for example, go to 9, go to 5, write 5 in that box.
So this is for
Yes,
software conferences. Oops.
yes,
Oh,
yes. Okay, so it should supposedly work. Yes,
did it?
4,
Did it?
5. Yes, and then press the button like you pressed.
This one.
Mhm.
I think this takes me to
Mm,
the next one.
yes, but normally in here also, I don't know, I don't know. Like it should kind of work, but anyways, if you review, like give it a rating of 1.
I
Yes,
just saw
so
it did a thing.
every reviewer will do like that, and then go to
Nice.
menu leaderboard. Okay, so you have like are sorted according to scores, the total scores of every reviewer.
Cool. And this is all done. So this is kind of live on the staging server. Is that correct?
Yes, yes,
Very cool. Very cool.
yes. So
Nice.
and normally if you zoom out, yes, so the display is looks like that. And admin, so basically it's the same app that you used over there, but here it's just that it's customized. And last thing, to understand it better, go to the Flask on GitHub. Yes, go to Traveler,
Hmm.
go to Static. We are using Tailwind, by the way.
Oh,
uh,
nice.
yes, go to themes, front, conf theme. Y-
Nice.
yes, go to 2021 pods. Yes, index and pods. So
And
normally
there's
the
all
idea
the.
is for 2022 to
Yes.
just copy paste that folder, rename it to 2022, and then just
Brilliant.
well recode the HTML files, and then we have another year's conference.
Very cool. This has been wonderful. I really appreciate this tour, and I'm very grateful that I was able to contribute. Um, the work you do is terrific, Abdul Rahman. I'm very, very, very impressed. Thank you. Um, I think it's time we start wrapping up for today.
Yes.
But I'd love to come back to you sometime if you ever want to collaborate again. I've got another weekly show that I do with open source stuff. If you're ever interested, let me know.
Okay.
Uh, I love doing this stuff. So I'm just gonna put up a link here for everybody to see. So that's the
Mhm.
Shopyo URL on GitHub. If you want to ever contribute, please feel free to come in. Like as you can see, this community takes great care um, in their onboarding process. So which I think is really really wonderful. So to that I'll say thank you very much, Abdurrahman. It's been an absolute pleasure. I've had a wonderful time. Um,
Yes. Yes.
and it's been great.
So
It's been
glad.
great to know you. Sorry, I
Yes,
interrupted you.
and I think I presented it. Yes, if you go to pepi.tech/project
Oh,
slash
give me a second. Peppy, how do I spell that?
PEPY
E
P,
P
no,
Y.
PE, yeah, dot tech.
Yeah,
Yes, go to that site. Okay, go search for Shopyo.
Shopyo.
Okay, so you can have some download stats for it,
Oh,
but
nice.
and I've also spoken about it at some conferences.
Yeah,
But what it seems that people are using it here and there, but
wonderful.
up to now we don't have kind of some official feedback,
Okay.
people like using it somewhere, and to find some usage besides of what I know, like its usage popping up in the wild. So we do have some way to go more,
Yeah.
but that's it.
No, thank you. Good to know. So, folks, go check out Shopyo, get contributing, get trying it out. Like, I guess what y'all are looking for is feedback. Like, keep that coming, folks. And yeah, I think it's bedtime for me, but I'll just say, and I think for you too. So I'll just say goodbye from us.
Thank you very much. It's been very smooth, very easy,
Oh,
and fun and enjoyable all the way through.
I'm very glad. Yeah, thanks a lot. See you next time, everybody. Bye bye.
Bye.